Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 10.4, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. Now for this process we will need a cable. You want to plug it into your computer and then connect it with the device itself. And from here, hold the power key. Select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and a volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Huawei logo, you can let go of the keys. This will take you to the recovery mode. So from here, simply tap on the safe mode at the bottom, and this will automatically boot you into safe mode. And as you can see, we're now in the safe mode, which you can see right here in the corner. This will stay in the corner as long as you're in safe mode. And also in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have downloaded and installed yourself will be disabled and won't be able to start. So just keep that in mind. Now that being said, once you're done with this mode, to leave this, all you need to do is hold the power key once more, and this time around, select restart. Now, additionally, we can also unplug the device. The cable is not needed. And there we go, we are now back in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.